Every Jamaican dish carries a story, a memory passed down through generations, the scent of Scotch bonnet and allspice that takes you right back home. 14 heritage recipes: jerk chicken, oxtail, ackee and saltfish, curried goat, stew peas, the food that built a culture. Flip through a beautiful 3D cookbook right on your phone. Every page reveals a new recipe with its cultural story, ingredients, step by step method, and a plating guide to make it look as good as it tastes. Every recipe tells you the story behind the dish, the ingredients, step by step instructions, and how to plate it like a Jamaican grandmother. And when you need help, Miss Ivy, your warm Jamaican grandmother guide, and Chef Marcus, your professional chef advisor, are right there with you. 3 ways to get started. Single volume, $14.99 for all 14 recipes. All access, $9.99 a month with new recipes added monthly. Or lifetime at $39.99, everything forever. Start cooking today at yardkitchenversell.app. Your grandmother would be proud.